Tiger! Hey Cheryl, there are some surprises in there. Can you pick them up for me? Put, search. Woo, what's that?
It's the donkey.
It's a llama.
It's the llama. Take llama.
Thank you. Okay, what's the next? Who's hiding?
It's the duck.
It's a duck! What does a duck say?
Quack, quack.
Quack quack! What else did he have in his farm?
It's the rabbit.
It's a rabbit!
Yeah, take the rabbit.
How does a rabbit jump?
She's jumping in there.
Oh, very cute. Then let's take it and see. See.
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep. What does a sheep say? Wow.
Take the sheep.
Let's see. Who else is there? What's that?
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken. What does a chicken say?
Chicken.
What sound does a chicken do?
Quack,
Clock, clock. Clock, clock.
It's the cow.
Wow, it's a cow. What sound does a cow make?
It's the cow.
Wow, you got two surprises. It's a cow. And what's this?
Take it.
What's this?
It's a horse.
It's a horse. Okay. Can you tell me what sound the horse makes? Nay, very good. What sound does a cow make? Moo. Yes, search. Come on, yes.
It's the pig.
It's a pig. What sound does a pig make? Oink, 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 oink. Oink, oink.
It's a pig.
Thank you. Okay, what's the next animal in there? What's that?
It's a dog.
It's a dog. What is?
So cute.
It's so cute. What does the dog say?
It's a
It's a cat.
cat. It's cute.
Oh, so cute.
She's angry.
Oh, why is she angry? What sound does a cat make?
She's cute.
What sound does a cat make?
She's cute.
What sound does a cat make?
Meow.
Meow. Search.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that? That's an elephant. What does an elephant do?
Elephant's angry.
It's angry. The elephant stops. Yay. Woo, what's that? Crocodile. Snap. The big mouth. Hey, what's this? You got one. What's this? It's a rhinoceros. Whoa, very nice. Come on, let's search. Let's search. Woo, what's this? What's that? What does a gorilla do? Show me what a gorilla does. Come on. It's a giraffe! You! A tall giraffe.
Look, giraffe is kissing me.
A giraffe is kissing you? Okay, what's the next animal there? Hey, it's a bear!
No.
It's a bear! Cheryl!
Zebra!
Hey, that's a zebra! Show me the zebra, Cheryl. What's that?
It's a pepper.
It's a deer! It's a tiger! You scared of tigers?
Homie Donna had a phone. E-I-E-I-O. And Hannah's one has some jaw. E-I-E-I-O. I woof woof woof. I woof woof woof. He's down, he's down, he's down. How you doing? Had a phone. E-I-E-I-O.